Hello folks, this is Howard Reitzel from Reitzel & Company with our February 2015 financial update. In this month's video, we'll talk about some of the major economic influences and headlines that give you some insight into what they might mean for you as an investor. Please review the required disclosure statements at the end. Financial markets continue to be volatile in February as overseas events overshadowed the United States economy. While domestic indicators show that economic growth is on track at home, investors worried about what might be brewing overseas. Europe was in focus as Greece negotiated with European market creditors for a new round of bailout money. While Greece's new leaders promised voters an end to the painful austerity measures, the new agreement didn't resolve anything. Instead, it kicked the can down the road until the next round of credit talks. Markets reacted positively to the deal since it means that Greece will stay solvent and remain in the European common market. On the domestic front, we got our second look at fourth quarter economic growth and discovered that the economy grew at a slower pace than initially estimated. However, the good news is that consumer spending, one of the largest contributors to the economy, grew at the fastest pace in 4 years. Hopefully, an improving job market and low gasoline costs will continue to support consumer spending in this year. Fourth quarter earnings season is winding down and the overall picture is mixed. While earnings for S&P 500 companies were up 6.5% over the fourth quarter 2013, revenues were just up 2.6%, 1.6%. These numbers show that many U.S. businesses are struggling with weak demand. We finally got some more guidance from the Federal Reserve about interest rates. Fed Chair Janet Yellen spoke before the House and Senate and indicated that the central bank may raise rates as early as July. Though the rate increase may affect the stock market, banks respond by raising consumer rates to compete for your business. Rate increases may also raise mortgages and loans and make them more expensive. So you may want to factor that into your major purchases that you plan to make this year. In the weeks ahead, we expect to see additional volatility as investors factor in interest rates, oil prices, and economic issues abroad. However, keep in mind that the volatility often presents opportunities. We continually monitor markets on our clients' behalf and always have our eyes open for investment opportunities. That's it for the February financial update. As always, if you have any questions or concerns, please call us at 812-500-0263. Again, Howard Reitzel, Invest Financial, signing off for the month of February 2015.